Hello, everyone. Welcome to our class.
Let's start together. All right, let's learn the letter A.
A is for apple.
No, A is for awesome. Whoa, the fruits are dancing.
This is nuts.
Okay, everyone, let's work together.
Yes, let's make the letter A.
I'll go to the base. This is fun teamwork.
We did it, the letter A.
Let's build the A. This apple goes on top. I'll add this block here. Yes, and a stick for support.
It's perfect.
Yay, we did it.
Let's put the apples on the A's legs. Okay, I'll put mine right here, and I'll balance one on top.
Perfect. Now it's stable.
We made a great letter A.
Yeah.
We did it. We made the letter A.
Yay, that was so much fun.
Let's try another letter.
Great idea. Teamwork makes it easy.
Okay, let's write an A. Start from the top. Now, draw a line down to the left. Great. Now draw the line down to the right and finish with the crossbar.
I did it.
Yes, perfect. All right, let's make the first line.
Okay, I'm tracing the arrow.
Perfect. Now for the second line.
My turn drawing down now.
Great job. Finish with the crossbar.
Yay.
All right, class, let's learn the letter A. First, a line across the top, then down and to the left. Now, down and to the right and a line across the middle. Now you try. This is an apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Apples are yummy and good for you.
I like apples.
Hi, everyone. I'm Leo. Today, I'm eating an apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Yum, that tickles. So crunchy and sweet. Hee hee, glad you like it. Hi, everyone. I'm Leo. Today, I'm eating an apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Yum, that tickles. So crunchy and sweet. Hee hee, glad you like it. Leo eats an apple.
B, B, B. B, 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 B. Ba, ba. Baker, baker.
Hi, kids. B is for berries. Yummy and healthy.
Berries?
We want to run.
They're bouncing everywhere.
Very weird.
This is letter B.
B, B, B,
Big line down,
B,
2 round bumps. B is for bear. Say it with me.
Beaver.
Hi, everyone. Let's learn to write the letter B.
For the big B, start at the top and draw a straight line down. Then, draw a curved line to the right for the top bump.
And another curved line for the bottom bump.
Great job!
This is letter B.
B, B, B.
Big line down.
2 round bumps.
B is for bear.
Bear. Say it with me. B.
This is letter B.
Look the letter. Now, write the letter. Down, up, and around. B is for B.
B is for bulb.
B.
This is letter B. B is for bear. Say it with me.
A B. Let's write it together.
First, a big B.
Then a little B.
This is letter B.
B is for bear. Say with B. B.
B.
Welcome to B class.
B is for bear and bunny. No, B.
Bunny bounces.
Wait, what?
Bye. See you next time. Bye-bye. See you next time.